Second try, Mintis pa rin. Rebound by number 1, Soliman. Soliman ngayon, binubulawag number 29. Double team, pinasay number 25. A man-to-man defense by Aviation. Number 25, sumalaksak. And there's a whistle. A foul committed by number 2. Holding foul by number 2, Marasigan. Penalty situation. Si number 25 naman ngayon ang susubok sa beautiful line. First try, short. Number 25, nalipat na ito on the second try. Split charity score natin 23-22 in favor of Aviation. 1 point lead. Number 20, Kusada, nilapit, tumira. Wala, rebound na yan, number 11, but blocked by number 2, Soliman. Ten seconds to shoot. Down to 9, 8, 7. Yes, 2 points by number 11. Pamatay sunog. 25-22 our score. A turnover for Engineering. Score natin 25-22, 3 minutes 33 seconds. Number 41, intercepted by number 2. Number 14 ngayon, binubulabog number 14 to number 2, number 25. Yes, 2 points by number 25, Dima Belic. Score natin 25-24, 3 minutes 17 seconds. Number 11, Aramilla, cross pass to number 28. Binubulabog din number 14, De Chavez, number 28.